In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add grid lines in Krita. So to start off, you just want to go ahead to the settings here and click on it, and then go down to Dockers, and then you want to switch on the grid and guides here, and you should find it right over here in this small selection right here. And here you will find the grid option. You just click on the show grid, and then you can adjust the spacing here. Let's make it, let's say 500. 500 is too big, let's make it 200. Okay, 200 is good. And you can also come here and change the color if you want. I'm gonna choose green. See, now it's green. And then here, as you can see, the dashed lines could also be changed. You could change their color too, and you could also make them just normal lines. And basically this is how you adjust. Let's for example keep it at 150. Okay, this is good. So this is how you add grid lines in Krita. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.